Hi, welcome to this video. This is the Dimplex QM50RF. That's the RF series. If your heater does not have an RF against the model number, or if it doesn't have a hole here so you can see a little window, then it's not an RF series. And then you'll need to check the other videos in this playlist. This is how to set the lock to stop people changing the settings on your storage heater. So first of all, you need to press your menu button. Then you need to go down to settings. And then you need to go to heater lock. And then you need to say set lock. And then pick a 4-digit pin that you can remember. For this video, I'm going to choose 4 zeros. The lock has now been set. And the storage heater is locked. You cannot increase or decrease the temperature. To unlock it, hit the menu button, and then you have a choice to boost or unlock. If you hit unlock, you'll be asked for the code. And as I said before, the purposes of this video, I chose 4 zeros. Now it's unlocked. The temperature can now be altered. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.